The magistrate, or the Colobas monkey, commonly known as the black and white Colobas monkey. They are heavy-bodied with a white ring of fur around its head, a glossy black coat with a U-shaped white mantle of varying length on its sides. They also have a white tuft at the end of their long tail. Colobas means mutilated one, indicating its short thumb, which is even shorter compared to their long fingers. They are graceful and gentle and live in communities that are bonded and protected by a dominant male. They feed on leaves, fruits, seeds, and leeks, and they get water from the dew, the moisture content in their diet, and rainwater held in the trunk hollows.